Guys, put the sign and we go brain there.
Okay, show me another one.
Okay.
Show me the next one. Put that down and get another one.
Okay. Sure.
Get another one. Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna into the what do you call brain? Brain. The cookies, Ray Ray.
Okay, show me the next one.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Apple.
Let me see.
1, 2, 3. Apple. That's a big one.
This morning. So as you can see, today I have a helper. We are doing a fairy garden, and we thought this would be a little great thing for everyone that's on summer vacation to put a fairy garden out so the kids have something that they can admire that they did on their own. Here we're doing a sign. It's gonna welcome the fairies to Fairyland. We will be taking some more of the Dollar Tree rub-on stickers and actually rubbing it onto the sign. The little ones actually decided to use gold because they felt it was more whimsical. And there you have it. We're all done. Welcome, fairies. And we added some more accent pieces here just to make it look like it's for the fairies itself because they are more whimsical. Here we're gonna build them a bench. Since we made our own bench, we thought the fairies deserved to have one too. All the benches are actually made out of these little twigs that we were able to find as we were doing some cleanup. I wanted to incorporate a photo of what inspired our bench. I hope this inspires you guys to make your bench as well. If you do so, please leave a comment below. Pretty soon I'm going to be updating our description box with our Instagram and also an email so you guys can send us what you're making. Here I'm using some leftover from the moss layout that we had from a previous project. I thought it would be a great fit, and look at how it looks. Amazing. To our next project. These are leftovers from Easter, so we decided to put them to use, and what great mushrooms they make. Just grab the end of your paintbrush, put the end into some paint, and just dab, dab, dab away. The kitties love this one. Next, you're gonna grab your popsicle stick, cut it in half, and take the blunt end, and you're gonna actually hold it in your hand and put some glue. I would put a heaping of glue. Make sure there's adult supervision at the tip of it, and go ahead and place it inside your makeshift egg, but now turned into mushroom. Moving on to our third project. This is going to be something that we're gonna need some nippers to be able to cut it. This is an older child that's actually doing the cutting here. Make sure you guys are very, very careful when you're doing this, but he's cutting little pieces about the same length. They don't have to measure up to be exact, but give it around the ballpark figure of being exact. And you're gonna put some glue at the tip and take your twine and wrap it around. And what we're gonna be making is actually a ladder. And you're just gonna continue this. This is something that's great for when it's raining outside, something you can sit and do with the kids while you're just having conversation. It's a lot of fun, and it kept them occupied the entire day. Now we're just gonna take our pieces and put them outside. Remember, this is where we actually planted a flower. I wanna give you guys an update because it has since started to sprout, so it's definitely growing. So we should be able to see it pretty soon. I'll make sure I keep an update on it and show you guys as well. And they're also going to hang the fairy light right above where our little setup is. And we're gonna do multiple setups. This is another one that's a little further away in different areas. And we have another one that is now by the tire swings, but we haven't recorded that one as of yet, but I will make sure you guys get to see this. Enjoy, and thank you guys for watching.